Hello guys, what's up? We are doing a toy review, shouldn't have seen that, of the 10th and 11th. I'm gonna pause this. Well, if you don't know what Doctor Who is, I think it is the best show made in England, if I got it right. Well, this is Matt Smith's, Sonic Screwdriver, aka 11th. It does make sounds if you're wondering how to put batteries in it. Like, I thought, if you can see the screws on it, let me turn it where screws were. I swear there were screws. Okay, there was screws in the weight part. Can't find it. It does make noises. It can't make a noise when you have it up like that. That's why they made this little red button over here. Hold on. Just push it down. One, two, three. It makes 3 noises. Now, if you're wondering how to get this, get the batteries in, you just twist it off like so, like on. To prove that I do this legit. Just do this, and pull this off. So, if I can put it in there without breaking it. Turn to you, then pull it out, and there will be like this little hollow part. That's where the battery goes. If you're like this, oh no, I don't know what batteries this takes. Well, this takes watch batteries, clock batteries, whatever you want to call them. And there's like this little button over here. If you can't see it, hold on. There you go. If you can see it perfectly, it turns it on. That's what triggers it. Now, just do the same thing to put it back on. But this time you're turning the opposite. It depends which way you're pointing to. Right. Only way to tell it if you're unscrewing it, right, is if the thing pops up when you're moving it like that. Right, now time to go to David Tubman's Sonic Screwdriver. It ain't bigger, surprisingly, even if I do this. Well, this part was actually covered up. But this one came with batteries, the one that I bought. Well, you used to be able to buy it. You can buy it at Books A Million, I think that's what it's called. Or Bucks A Million. Yeah, so let's get... it comes with UV ink and regular ink. I lost the regular ink, and this is the UV. It looks the same. Yeah, way to extend it is this. Now there's 2 buttons over here for a reason. One to turn it on and off, and turn it on and off. Like when it's on like this. Can you hear that? That is black light in that, if you didn't know that. And when it's up like this, see, down like this, you push this. Up like this, you push this. On 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I actually forget how many sounds this comes with. This comes with 3. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 noises. 4 noises. 5. Like, this might hurt your ears though, but I'm gonna do this. Try to find the right Look, they're both making the same noise. Okay, if I extend this one out, and this one, look, it's still not even tall or big as it. So yeah, I don't know how to put the batteries in. I'm guessing that you unscrew this. I'm just guessing. I do not know. Probably take the part off, like. Yeah, you probably unscrew it. Like, I want to do this little part over here, just write UV ink all over me, like there, it's the line. You can't see it. Now let me turn off this light over here. If you can see it perfectly or not. Hold on. Did I zoom it out? How come you can't see it? You probably see it by now. It's that little glare. Not the blue glare, but this. If you see like a line. Can't get it. Oh well, but it does work. So, yeah. Matt Smith's and David Tubman's sonic screwdrivers. 10th Doctor, 11th Doctor. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. And put it in a comment below, or like if you want me to do any more reviews of Doctor Who things. Yeah, thanks. Bye.